mobile, and most of the country now, the citizens have the mobile. Um, Whether if they are not having it, their children. So every family you have one mobile phone. So through that they can call the call center. They can get the update on SMS alert. What we are going to do uh, in this year is, uh, Andhra Pradesh, you already have Mi Seva, where citizens can go and take the advantage of Mi Seva setup to file online application. So in rural areas, citizens need not go to cyber cafe. They can go to the nearest Mi Seva and apply online. This model has been found very useful and innovative. We are likely to replicate this kind of model in other parts of the country. Uh, Embassies now, it's online. They get the access. So if somebody, a worker who was working in the Middle East, and he got his last passport issued in Kuwait or Saudi Arabia, when he applies in Visakhapatnam or Hyderabad, we can see the history of his application online. So the waiting period to get clearance from those embassies and consulate has come down. But we are going to integrate our embassies further so that it becomes even better. In terms of police verification, again, Andhra Pradesh has shown the way. Now, each application is traveling to district online. So the time, the 15, 20 days, which was taken in manual transfer of file or paper, has been cut down. Some districts in Andhra Pradesh have shown the way by which handheld devices can be used, and there could be a lot of saving on paperwork, and at the same time, the data is available to the constable. Last mile connectivity. This is called in e-governance last mile connectivity. So the form is moving to the constable level digitally, and thereafter we are receiving the report also electronically from him. That will cut the time taken in police verification further down. But even today, Andhra has shown the way that following the online method at the district level, it can be brought down to 19 days. So if we take 19 days and another week for the passport office for printing and dispatch, we can assure to our citizens that in a